Hey, how's it going, guys? So in this video, I want to cover Dogecoin and just say a few things about it. So Dogecoin used to just be a meme coin, but now it's actually pretty much a blue chip crypto, and it's been down a lot in the bear market. Actually, over the past few years in general, it's been down a lot, but I could actually see this make a major comeback. And right now it's sitting at about 16.6 cents. At its peak in December 2024, it was at about 46 cents. So it's down around, let's see, it's down around 65%. And whenever the bull market continues, Dogecoin always ends up joining. And we've always seen it perform very well. So I would say this is actually a pretty good buy. We could see a couple of very similar structures that continue to repeat. So this structure right here, we have this one right here. These two structures look almost identical, except the one we're seeing now is on a larger scale, which tells me that there will probably be a larger pump that results from it. So, we have this one. It's about half the size of the one that we have currently, and this resulted in about a 400% pump, which tells me we could see this probably result in at least a 400% pump. I would like to see something like that, but you could see here we have continuous scenarios that appear on the chart that are somewhat similar. So that is what tells me Doge is a good buy. I would say this is great for the long term. This has really caught on over the past few years. It's really become seen as more of a legitimate crypto, and they've done a lot of work building it. They have their own blockchain, So I think Dogecoin looks very bullish, and if Ethereum continues to be bullish, I think that could help out a lot as well. So, all right, guys, that's it.